In my view, it's impossible to talk about wildlife and not think about its role in livelihood. And I guess part of that is my own view, part of the research that I do in Africa. In most Eastern West Africa, I took a role. All the humans rely on wildlife as a source of food, and also the source of income. And we talk about our wildlife. It seems we talk about fish. We are talking about what probably the single most important source of protein for humans across the globe. And so, billions of, or more than billions of people, rely on fish as their primary source of animal protein, and most of these people living in poverty. So the management of fish resource of wildlife, in that sense, causing incredibly important to livelihoods and health. And also, wildlife tourism is the multiple billion-dollar industry, and in many places, such as Africa, South America, it can be the number one source of income, and it can be the number one source of foreign income for economies.